Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine and you have completed your work nicely. So, today we will start with the third class GK. In the previous video, I think it has completed till the page number 26. So, we will begin with the page number 27 today. Okay, so it is here. Page number 27 to 29. So we'll come here. Now known as. So we will do this exercise first. So I have some fill-ups for you. So firstly I will show you that one. Okay, students. So it is here. Some Indian cities and states are now known by a name. यानी कुछ इंडियन यानी भारतीय जो सिटीज़ एंड स्टेट्स यानी राज्य हैं वो कुछ नए नाम से जाने जाने लगे हैं. हेयर आर द देयर ओल्ड नेम्स. यहाँ पर कुछ उनके पुराने नाम दिए गए हैं. यूज़ द क्लू बॉक्स टू राइट देयर न्यू नेम्स. सो वी हैव टू जस्ट फाइंड आउट द न्यू नेम्स फ्रॉम द क्लू बॉक्स. सो इट इज़ गिवन द below. It is here. I'll show you this one. You have to take the help of this clue box. So first we will start with the point number 1. Bombay is now called Mumbai. Madras is now called Chennai. Third one. Calcutta is now called Kolkata. Banaras is now called Varanasi. Fifth one. Bangalore is now called Bengaluru. Sixth one. Mysore is now called Mysuru. Seventh one. Cochin is now called Kochi. Now the next part. Orissa is now called Orissa. So this exercise is over. So we will come to the below. It is here. This one. Here are the names of some newly formed states of India. यहाँ पर कुछ न्यूली यानी जो नए राज्य बने हैं भारत में उनके नाम दिए गए हैं. सो वी हैव टू अनस्क्रैम्बल द वर्ड्स टू द नेम दैम. यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड्स जो हैं स्क्रैम्बल्स किए गए हैं. यहाँ पर देखिए स्क्रैम्बलिंग की गई है और आपको इनको अनस्क्रैम्बल करना है. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द राइट वर्ड हियर. ओके, सो गेट इट. फर्स्ट वन इज तेलंगाना. नंबर 2 छत्तीसगढ़. 3 झारखंड. 4th उत्तराखंड. It is visible here. It's Uttarakhand. Now I will come to the next page. Also known as. So it's a puzzle grid. So we have to just find out. Given below are some sobriquets. A sobriquet is a nickname. Sobriquet का मतलब होता है एक nickname यानी एक familiar name जिसे हम अच्छे से जानते हैं और a familiar name. Okay. So fill in the cross puzzle to figure out the real name. इनके हमें real name छांटने हैं. कुछ clues दिए गए हैं across and down. So first we will start with the across. City of 7 hills. It's Rome. 3 point. Land of the rising sun. It's Japan. Number 5. Sugar bowl of the world. It's Cuba. It's Cuba. 7th one. Gift of Nile. It's Egypt. And 9th one. The dark continent Africa. I will show you. 9th one is given here. This one. Cuba is here, Egypt is here. Okay, so all things are here. Now I will show you the down one. These are here. Second one, land of the midnight sun. It's Norway. 4th, land of the maple leaf. It's Canada. 6th, land of the thunderbolt. It's Bhutan. And 8th, queen of Arabian Sea. It's Kochi. So students, you have to complete these both exercise at the same way you were doing before. this. Before this page is you were doing in the same way you have to do the GK work. Okay, I will be available in the school when you will get the message from the school side to get it checked. So I will be available in the school to check it. Now I'll come to the next page. This one, fame of India. It is फेम ऑफ इंडिया, यानी भारत के जो प्रसिद्ध लोग हैं उनके नाम या प्रसिद्धि. गेस द नेम ऑफ दीज फेमस इंडियंस. इन फेमस इंडियंस के नाम हमें गैस करने हैं. चूज़ द करेक्ट लेटर ऑफ द नेम फ्रॉम द हेल्प बॉक्स. और हेल्प बॉक्स में से इनका करेक्ट नेम लेटर जो है आपको चूज़ करना है. तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी सॉल्व इट, सो यू मे टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम हियर. फर्स्ट वन इज दलाई लामा. सेकेंड वन पंडित रविशंकर. थर्ड वन स्वामी विवेकानंद. नेक्स्ट वन ऐश्वर्या राय. फिफ्थ वन चेतन भगत. सिक्स वन MF हुसैन. सेवेंथ वन मुकेश अंबानी. एंड द लास्ट वन इज कपिल देव. So friends, as I told you, you have to follow the instruction given by me. You have to complete your work in the same way as you were doing before this video. Okay, so you have to complete your work. Okay friends, till then be safe at your home and learn your work. Okay, thank you.